position wrong. I can't change now. I don't know.
Coming up,
Yeah.
I would like you to follow the road ahead. Second exit towards services, please.
Okay. Position wrong. I can't change now. I don't know. Too fast. I don't know. I forgot now the way. It was good, was not. I gonna do again and I come back. I don't know. I gonna go and I make a new roundabout. Like this. Like this.
Going towards the services, please.
Yes. Oh, it's so bad, so bad. I did this so many times. And when is my mock test?
I want to say well done. Yes, you made a wrong decision because I asked you the next roundabout going ahead, second exit towards services.
Yeah.
You did fine. You were in the left lane.
But I changed lane on the last time.
But why? It's okay.
I was thinking it's wrong lane. I
But
don't know.
because you're not counting the exits. Where was the first exit?
I changed from beginning. I changed the lane.
No. So, as you coming in,
Yeah.
so you have got the road there, which is motorway.
Yeah.
Then the road there, second exit. So you were in the left lane, you were fine. Why do you change lane? Because you see in your mind, I keep telling you, you're not counting the exits.
Okay.
I give you the clear instructions that next roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit.
Yes.
So if you have counted first exit, which is a motorway M65 Blackburn,
Yes.
all you needed to do that time, check your mirror signal, second exit. But you didn't. Okay. At that time, what you did, you checked your center in the right mirror, you signal right and you change your lane. Nobody was behind that time. No harm done.
Yeah.
And what you did, you're gonna round the roundabout, come back again and you took. If you do this in your exam, you don't get failed for that. But if there's any car on the right lane and that car have to slow down, could be different. But luckily there was nobody that time. But you need to ask yourself question that I was doing so well. Why do I have to change your lane? You don't have to change your lane because you were going ahead, second exit.
Yes, but I forgot. I don't know.
So I hope now you don't forget that.
Yeah, I hope.
Okay.